Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by unlocking the iPad and swiping right to open Today View. You need to be in the actual widget area, not home screen edit mode. Once done, make sure your iPad OS is up to date, because widgets rely on current system frameworks to behave. You should also confirm you are signed into your Apple ID so some widgets can fetch data. Now tap and hold a widget or empty space to enter jiggle mode. This is the actionable step that begins. In jiggle mode, tap the plus icon to bring up the widget gallery. You'll see size options. Pick one that fits your layout and tap Add Widget. Once added, drag it where you want. To save space, stack widgets by dropping one onto another, then swipe within the stack to cycle through. If a widget supports configuration, long press it and choose Edit Widget so you can select accounts, lists, or content sources. This corrects most display and content issues. Tap Done to lock your layout, then observe widgets for a minute to confirm they update. If a widget shows stale or missing data, force quit the related app and reopen it. This refreshes permissions and background refresh. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for the app because widgets need it. If problems persist, restart the iPad. As a last resort, reset the home screen layout in settings to clear corrupt placements. This usually resolves stubborn widget behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.